Today, we're diving into Fundrise, one of the most talked about real estate investment platforms. Fundrise allows individuals to invest in real estate projects without needing a large amount of capital. You can start with as little as $10, making it accessible to beginners and small investors alike. But how does it work, and is it as good as it seems? First, let's go over the platform itself. Fundrise focuses on both commercial and residential real estate, and it pools your money with other investors to fund large-scale projects. It's an easy way to diversify your portfolio into real estate without the headaches of property management. When you first sign up, you'll create an account and choose from different investment plans. Fundrise offers 4 types of plans: Starter, Core, Advanced, and Premium. These plans differ based on your investment goals and how much you're willing to commit. The Starter plan is ideal for beginners, with a low minimum investment and hands-off management. If you have more experience or are willing to invest larger amounts, the higher-tier plans offer more potential returns. Once you're set up, you can track your investments through the platform's dashboard. Fundrise gives you access to detailed reports on your holdings, performance, and any ongoing or upcoming real estate projects. The user interface is simple, clean, and user-friendly, which is great for someone new to real estate investing. Now, let's talk about the fees. Fundrise charges an asset management fee, which is generally around 1% of your investment, and there's also a management fee for the underlying assets, which can vary. While this is competitive for real estate investment platforms, it's still something you should factor into your returns. In terms of performance, Fundrise has historically shown steady growth, but, like any investment, returns aren't guaranteed. Some users report solid dividends from their investments, while others see slower returns depending on market conditions. This is an important point to consider before you start investing, as real estate can be a longer-term commitment. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Check them out after watching the video for additional insights on real estate investing and Fundrise.so. Is Fundrise worth it? If you're looking for a low-maintenance way to add real estate to your investment portfolio, Fundrise might be a great option. It's not without its risks, but the accessibility, transparency, and relatively low minimum investment make it a solid choice for many people. As always, make sure to do your own research before committing to any investment. Thanks for watching this review of Fundrise. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and investment tips.